Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this pre-owned 2018 Jayco Redhawk 25R. We'll make our way down the unit. As you can see, you got some storage space here. Just past that, it does have a generator. At the back of the unit, you do have some more storage space, and it is a fairly large storage space. It does have a ladder for roof access, so you can check your roof every 3 months as recommended by the manufacturer. It does have a nice large awning. Got an outdoor kitchen with a cube refrigerator, suburban 2-burner stovetop, which you just fold these flats in here. And then you close it and slide it in, providing a little more prep space. And as you can see, you also get a single basin sink. Past the outdoor kitchen, you get a couple of extra storage spaces here. And let's go ahead and take a look inside. So just above the captain's chairs, or the cabin, the driving area of the cabin, you do have a bunk. So this portion right here will fold out to create a full bed over here, and it does fold over like so to create a little more headroom above the chairs. There's also some bungee storage at the back of the bunk. Down here you can see you get plenty of cup holders. This unit does have one slide. On that slide you do have a booth that does fold down into a bed, and you do have some storage underneath the booth. And there's actually also an outlet over there. Over here, you've got a jackknife sofa. Up above that, you've got some storage. Next to your jackknife sofa, you've got some more storage. At the back of the unit, you do have your bathroom. So you have a nice large shower. It does have a skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom. Of course, your toilet and your vanity. Next to your bathroom is your bedroom. So as you can see, it is a nice large bed, and it's actually pretty comfortable. And then you've got some storage up top and this curtain that closes off the bedroom space. Right off the bedroom, you do have your entertainment space that includes a giant TV. There is storage behind the TV. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. And storage underneath the TV. Past your entertainment center is your kitchen, which includes your Norcold refrigerator and freezer. High point microwave. And 3-burner Dynamax stovetop. There's also a nice deep drawer here. And you do get a double basin sink. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other great options we have available for sale, come see us at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com.